Hidden treasure in your home you never know until you've cleaned it with Tarnex.
I came across my grandmother's old silver service. It was so tarnished, I almost threw it out. I tried some Tarnex and I was amazed.
Uncover the beauty of your silver, gold, and copper with Tarnex. It cleans away years of tarnish and brings back the shine. Is there a treasure hidden in your home?
You never know until you've cleaned it with Tarnex.
The survivors of the recent devastating hurricanes will require ongoing assistance to rebuild their lives. From September 1st through December 31st, Gelmar will contribute 10 cents per unit on the U.S. sales of CLR and Tarnex branded products. This money will go towards the Salvation Army's monumental relief effort. We can all provide these survivors with a more hopeful future.
Gelmar is also providing more information on where to contribute and links to the relief agencies involved at gelmar.com.